Sunshine. So today I have my October Earfleek box to unbox with you guys. So Earfleek is a monthly earring subscription. In each month you will get one set of earrings. My biggest complaint about Earfleek is that their earrings never come with backings, but I've had so many of you tell me before that Walmart sells like a 10-pack of plastic backings in their like jewelry section for less than $1, so it's an easy fix. Earfleek is less than $5 a month. I think it's like $3.49 to get these. The thing with Earfleek is that there are 3 different subscriptions. So you have the classic subscription, then you have like the trendy fun subscription, and then you have a mix of both. I purchased the mix of both, and every month I hope and pray that I get a pair of pizza earrings. There has only been one pair of earrings that I've been absolutely in love with Earfleek, but I'm honestly just waiting to like, I keep voting on my preferences and I keep like, you know, continuing to build my profile by voting on those preferences. So I really hope that like in the next couple of months, they're going to start killing my earrings. So basically we're just going to go in. This is a super quick unboxing. Here's what the card looks like that they send out to you. And then we're gonna get into unboxing my earrings. I just took my earrings off because I totally forgot that I was even wearing them. So we can try these gorgeous ones out. Oh my gosh, look. And the only other thing that I have to say is that I've gotten a lot of earrings that I always swipe left on. Like when you go and like you vote on your preferences, I always swipe on these like wooden dangle earrings. I really don't like, but I've gotten a couple of pairs of them. Oh, I just interrupted myself, but these have backings. Earfleek, thank you. Okay, so here is what the earring looks like. We've got a rhinestone in the stud, and then a dangle pearl, and I love pearls. I love pearls so much, so I'm really excited to see what these look like. Oh my gosh, these are actually so freaking cute. Okay, Earfleek, you guys got your stuff together this month and sent me a really freaking cute pair, and you sent me earring backings. Like, thank you so incredibly much. Also, I have a nickel allergy. I can't wear anything nickel, and they say that all of their earrings are nickel free, so you don't ever have to worry about that. But look how freaking cute these are. I'm so happy with these. I feel like they make me look classy, but they're still a little bit fun because of how sparkly the rhinestone is. So that is it for my October Earfleek unboxing. What did you guys think of these earrings? Yes, I would love for you guys to rate these earrings. Like, do you like them? Give me a 1 through 5. 5 being you love them, 1 being you hate them. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.